Hazrat Abu Zar radiyallahu anhu states, one night I came out to see Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam going alone and unaccompanied. I thought that perhaps somebody's escorting him displeased him, so I started to walk in the shadow light of the moons. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam saw me and said, "Who is it?" I submitted, "Abu Zar. May Allah Jalla Jalaluhu sacrifice me for you." He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "O Abu Zar, come on." I walk along with him for a while. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam then said, "The wealthy people will be destitute on the resurrection day, says those people whom Allah Jalla Jalaluhu confers goodness and they apportion their wealth to the right and the left, the front and the back, and do good in it, prosperity." I continued walking along with him for a while. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam then said, "Stay here until I come back." He sallallahu alaihi wasallam made me sit on a clear piece of land surrounded by black stones, and he sallallahu alaihi wasallam moved into those stones, went away on that stony path until he sallallahu alaihi wasallam went out of my sight. I sat there for a long time and then heard a sound. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam was coming towards me saying, "Though one commits theft or adultery." When he sallallahu alaihi wasallam had arrived, I could not help asking, "O Allah's Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, may Allah Jalla Jalaluhu sacrifice me for you. To whom were you talking in these stones? I did not see anyone talking to you." He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "He was Gabriel who came to me in these stones and said, 'Give your ummah this glad tidings that whosoever dies without associating any partner with Allah Jalla Jalaluhu will enter paradise.' I said, 'O Gabriel, though he commits theft or adultery?' He replied, 'Though he commits theft or adultery.' I again said, 'Though he commits larceny or adultery?' He replied, 'Though he imbibes wine.'" Sahih Muslim Hadith number 2302.